So here, we also have some studies. How does stem cell therapy work for a stroke? Okay, stem cell treatment for stroke works by replacing these neurons and restoring communication between the brain and the spinal cord. Ayan. So meron yan sa neuroscientist.com. Pwede po natin yan i-search. No? And I will be sharing to you some of the testimonials ng ating mga stroke patient. This is from Miss Mildred Soriano Lopez Yang, no? Sabi niya, I am happy and proud to share my mother-in-law's progress upon taking food supplement. Na-stroke siya nung 2014 and 2015, kung di ako nagkakamali. Habang lumilipas ang panahon, her condition did not get better. And slowly, she loses energy, ang katawan unti-unti nang bumibigay, wherein she can no longer do things on her own anymore. Totoo naman talaga, kapag na-stroke, no, ang hirap na. Kahit pabaliktad or pabangon sa tulugan niya, hindi niya na kaya. So, hanggang higa, upo na lang ang kayang ganun. She needs 24/7 assistance na, no? So, hindi lang si patient ang kawawa, but also yung nag-a-assist, no? Talagang it's also, hindi naman natin sasabihin na burden, but at the same time, talagang challenging, no, sa mga nag-aalaga. Until I met the business, yan. I am doing right now. I let her take the elixir placenta and thanks God, in just a month na pag-inom niya, there is malaki na yung progress, no? And she was able to stand by her hands, by her feet, nakakahakbang na. Panoorin po natin ang kanyang video.
Yan sa kana, may kinamukong kamera sa tikay. Dan, dan. Dan, 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 dan. Dan, 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 dan.
Hindi lang kung magkasaya po sa buntag.
Dan, 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 dan. Ha?
Kamu ito uban nga magkakwandre.
Ilang kayo makaluag-luag ni. Whip. Whip. Dipa. Whip.
Asa man apalya ko ti. Kana ang.
Kaya na nasita. Ito na kay kapoy na ka.
Sige na mo.
Bakla isa, padulong di kay.
Aya!
Sige. 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 Atras kay. Atras kay. Sige. Kaya. Kaya na.
Ikaw ka, di kaya layo. Ito lang.
Ayan, amazing ba ang ating elixir placenta? Comment naman dyan kung amazing ba, no? Grabe, ang ating stroke patient nakakalakad na. Wow na wow nga naman.